Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sync your WooCommerce store with QuickBooks for seamless accounting? Here's how to integrate them in just a few steps. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to your WooCommerce settings, then go to the plugins section and search for a QuickBooks integration plugin like QuickBooks Sync for WooCommerce. Install and activate it. Once activated, navigate to the plugins settings and connect your QuickBooks account. You will need to log into QuickBooks and grant permission to sync your data. Now, configure the settings to map your WooCommerce data to QuickBooks. For example, sync orders, customers, products, and payments to the appropriate QuickBooks accounts. Now start syncing your data. The plugin will automatically transfer your WooCommerce sales and updates to QuickBooks in real time. And that's it. With WooCommerce and QuickBooks integrated, managing your sales and accounting has never been easier. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.